How's it going, guys? Angel Casadas with Keller Williams Realty here in El Paso, Texas, and I'm here inside another Maravilla home. This Maravilla home is a crystal floor plan. It is a contemporary style home. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's 2,085 square feet. Single story, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so here's the outside of the home. As you can see, it is pretty modern floor plan from the outside, but once we step inside, you'll see some little bit more traditional colors, which is your browns, your beiges. This is the crystal floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,085 square feet, single story. As soon as you walk in here, you see you have your pretty big doors, which there are 8 feet tall. Okay, so as soon as you walk into your right hand side, you do have access to your master bedroom, which I'll be showing you guys shortly. And to your left hand side, you do have a closet, a coat closet, and right here is a half bathroom. Okay, for your guest. Okay, and then something really neat is you have the white cabinets. Okay, and to your left hand side, you do have access to your garage through this door right here, and here we're stepping into your laundry room with a sink, which I believe that is pretty neat. Okay, so in the inside of the home, you do have high ceilings also, which they are pretty high here. Okay. You do have your built-in shelves with electric fireplace, and you are pre-wired for surround sound system. You would just need to add the speakers. Lots of natural light, lots of windows, and that's one of the things I like most about Maravilla homes is that they have lots of windows everywhere. Okay, you have your white cabinets, nice size island, lots of counter space and lots of cabinet space. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys bedrooms. So this right here, you do have this wall, which is just added for more privacy for the bedrooms. Okay, so now we're stepping into the first of the 4 bedrooms. You have ceiling fans in this bedroom. Okay, really nice sized bedroom. Okay, and in here you do have a full bathroom with a standing shower. Okay. Granite countertops. You have your towel all the way to the ceiling. And then here, of course, you could see your living, kitchen, dining. And this door right here is a coat closet, linen closet, sorry. Here is the second bedroom. Really similar to the first one. You have a ceiling fan in here too. And we're stepping into the third bedroom. Pretty nice size. Okay, so now I'm gonna go show you guys the master bedroom. I believe the master in the front is a pretty nice feature, because I've had clients that say that they want a master in the front and then the rest of the bedrooms in the back, just for safety, so they can have the kids in the back and they can be in the front. So this home provides that. Okay, really nice sized bedroom. Again, lots of natural lights. You have 3 windows right there and an extra window over here. Okay, now we're going to step into the master bathroom. Again, your standing tub, double vanities, and something I really like about this home is this huge standing shower. Lots of space. You have 2 shower heads, and again the towel goes all the way to the top. Really neat. And something really cool about this house also is that you have two closets. You have this one right here, which this one's a little bit smaller. And then we step into the other closet, which has more space, more shelving. And also goes a little bit over here. Okay. And here is your toilet separate. Okay, so I think this is one of my favorite master bathrooms, sorry. Just because of the huge standing shower, standing tub, and the two closets. Okay, and that is it for this home. Okay, this is the crystal floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths, 2,085 square feet, and the builder is Maravilla Homes. If you guys have questions about this home or any other home here in El Paso, feel free to reach out. My number is 915-242-5441. Angel Casares, Keller Williams Realty, El Paso, Texas.